Our transition analysis tool allows you to analyze and optimize client portfolios, focusing on transitioning the holdings in the most tax efficient manner. This tool can be used to show the tax implications for a new client transitioning from their current portfolio to your proposed portfolio, or can be used to show a current client how to efficiently transition their portfolio to a different allocation. Currently, I'm looking at a PDF report of a transition analysis that I ran for one of my portfolios. Here I'm able to view a breakdown of the holdings and their current weights and allocations in the portfolio, as well as the target allocation of the proposed portfolio. This page is also going to show me the required transactions and what I'll have to either buy or sell to make sure that I'm within the target allocation. Lastly, it will also show me the tax impact buying or selling these positions has for my client. To get our transition analysis set up, we will first want to head to the Account View tab of our client portfolio. So this tab can be found under Holdings and then Account View for any client portfolio that you have built out. This will allow me to see all of my current holdings as well as the cost basis that I either inputted manually in the portfolio editor or that I pulled in via one of our several integration partners. This page here will also allow me to edit the potential tax that will come into play on the transition analysis tab. I'm fine with keeping it at 15%, so I'm not going to update it. And then to create the transition analysis itself, we'll just select the next tab over here, and this page is also going to look very similar to that account view page, and here is where we'll be able to add that transition security. So the proposed portfolio that you're wanting your client to transition to. From here, I can choose the transition type. So we have a full transition, we can choose a tax efficient transition, as well as a custom transition that will allow you to choose the specific allocations to each security. I'm going to choose tax efficient here. The tax efficient strategy will sell all of my losing positions based on their cost basis and then sell my winning positions incrementally, starting with the smallest positions first. Once I've chosen both my security and my transition type, if I select run here, you'll see that it creates a page similar to the PDF that we looked at with all of the information. So here I'll be able to see similar information like I did before, and I can also choose to view this information in dollars. So instead of viewing the required buys or sells in share values, I can view it in a dollar value now. This edit transition analysis will allow me to keep some legacy holdings that aren't part of the strategy I'm transitioning my client to, but that they'd prefer to keep in my portfolio. As far as save options, if I select save as here, I can save this as a brand new model portfolio. I can choose to download as a PDF, or if I select archive here, what this will do is it will keep all of my target allocations, any holding edits that I made, so that every time I open the transition analysis for this portfolio, this page will automatically appear without me having to re-enter the information. I'm just going to select download PDF again. And then when I open that, you'll see that we're back on the page that we started on. If you have any questions on our new transition analysis feature, please reach out to your account manager.